Alright guys, so today we are doing something different. We're putting an exhaust and I forget the name of we're putting like a billet wheel on it. Lucas's dad's truck as like, I think it's his Christmas gift. But the funny part is, he borrowed his truck to say that he had to go pick up parts when we're actually about to put a full exhaust on it. And I think it's just I'll let Lucas explain the details when we get to the shop. We're putting a full exhaust on it, and I think we're gonna do a billet wheel and maybe up pipes. So yeah, but Lucas is up in front of me. You guys can't see nothing, Luke. So we're about to be to the shop like any second now. This should be interesting watching Lucas put this big freaking thing in a rack. Oh Jesus. I don't know why I drove to the shop. I'm literally just like causing traffic. Bro, this is pouring. Pouring? It's pouring down rain.
I kind of prepared for the worst.
It's a snail.
It's a what?
It's a snail. Did it come loose?
It's the clamp though is kind of seized.
No, don't ever drink Red Bull. This thing is freaking sweet. Yeah. Of course the camera turns off when... Alright. Too bad you can't really see. Yeah, I guess you can kind of see now. Looks like sound. So, update, Lucas was fucking around for 3 hours. Fucking loosening, unloosening, tightening, untightening. He just lost it. And he just lost it, so.
I heard it.
What's the belt?
Yep.
Geared turbos. Geared turbo. Looks good to me. Looks like a pain in the ass too. Yeah guys, so that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. I definitely wanted to help Lucas out because you guys have seen, I don't know, I'm sure you guys have seen him on the channel a lot, and a lot of you may not know or not, but he's actually the friend that, like, if something breaks and I need his help, he'll come help fix it. Like, I think he helped tear the trans out of the truck twice, and then he helped fix the Beamer when we had to tear the trans out of it too. So definitely owed it to him to help him out. Didn't mind at all. It was cool watching all that. I wish I got to see his dad's reaction. Lucas had to go to a holiday party right after, so I don't think he's even taking the truck home tonight or not. But yeah guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next video. It should be a good one. If the dude doesn't bail, we're supposed to go get the transmission, but I have a feeling the guy's gonna bail, so hopefully he doesn't bail. But anyhow guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I appreciate you guys watching. Deuces.